Good afternoon, my people. I remain Felix Elijah Nana, your legal practitioner. You would have heard this saying that lawyers are liars, but I'll quickly dismiss it, and jokingly so, that not all liars are lawyers. Now, this saying is stemmed from the fact that most people feel that upon the allegation of a crime against a person, that person should be as guilty as charged. So when you see a lawyer defending a person that you feel is a notorious criminal, you feel that that lawyer is a liar. But that's not the case. Now, everybody, whether or not the person was caught in the act, is presumed innocent by the Constitution until the contrary is proved. It's called the right to presumption of innocence. And you know why the law protects that right? It's because should we allow jungle justice to be meted out on that person you felt is guilty, there will be a circumstance or an instance that there will be just a mere allegation against somebody and there will be mob action against that person if the person is not brought to court. So we bring this person to court, and the law presumes him innocent because the law wants the due process of the law to be carried out in finding that person guilty. As I will always say, the only distinction between justice according to law and jungle justice is the strict adherence to the due process or procedure of law. Other than that, if we don't follow the due process and procedure of law, then the justice in court will also be akin to jungle justice. So the law presumes every alleged criminal to be innocent. So the law, having said that this person is innocent, who is it to say the contrary until the contrary is proved? In other words, all what you have to do as a defense lawyer is to watch and see how the prosecution will prove beyond reasonable doubt that this person actually committed the offense. Now, the persons will be discharged and or acquitted if the prosecution fails to do what they should do by proving and establishing the alleged offense. And the prosecution will quickly argue that proof beyond reasonable doubt is not proof beyond all iota of doubt. But be that as it may, reasonable doubt must be established. So when you see a lawyer doing his work, it's not because he's a liar, but he's just doing what the law asks him to do. The law says this person is presumed innocent until the contrary is proven. So know that everybody in Nigeria, irrespective of the circumstances of the alleged crime against the person, is presumed innocent until the contrary is proved. So just as you cannot fault a doctor for doing his work, you cannot fault a doctor for doing what he took an oath. I mean, a lawyer for doing what he took an oath to do. I hope you understand. With this, I hope you know that law mandates lawyers to defend their cases, except on personal principles or on religious ground. You don't want to do the case, then you can leave it on that. But if you are doing it, you should not be stoned because you are doing it. Because the law says you should do it and that this person is innocent until proven otherwise. Thank you very much. I remain Felix Elijah Nana, your legal practitioner. And always remember to consult your lawyer and don't rely on anything I'm saying here. If you do, you'll be strictly on your own. Consult your lawyers and seek their legal pieces of advice in respect to anything and everything you want to do. Thank you very much.